everyone, a very happy Easter wishes to all. Welcome to 153rd episode of Campus This Week. I am Archie Monica of Mass Communication and Journalism Department, Siliguri, 4th semester, anchoring for Campus This Week for Radio Salesian 90.8 FM. This show is brought to you by CP Real Estate Siliguri. We build trust. The headlines this week. 17th edition of Elite Talk held. Christian students prepare for Easter. NSS celebrates National Consumer Day. Final years get life orientation program. College gears up for departmental exhibition. The news in detail. Siliguri, 17th edition of Elite Talk held. Sringkhala Subba of Mass Communication and Journalism, 6th semester reports.
The 17th edition of Elite Talk, a remarkable forum where brilliant minds converge and ideas thrive, took place on 21st of March 2024. Vice Principal of Arts and Humanities Father Taja Putasari initiated the event with an invocation and overview. 9 speakers from various departments addressed topics such as insecurities, my journey with music, the journey of discovery, resilience, reclaiming humanity in the age of modernity, and the real meaning of feminism. The judges for the event were Assistant Professor of Physics, Sir Bikramjit Chandra, and Assistant Professor of Commerce, Ms. Ayushi Agarwal. All participants received certificates, and Persis Chetri, a second semester student from the Department of Psychology, was honored as the best speaker for her presentation on body language. The event concluded with a vote of thanks delivered by Head of the Department of Mass Communication and Journalism, Assistant Professor Bhavya Chandra Khati.
Sringkhala Subba reporting. Siliguri, Christian students prepare for Easter. Priti, Baxla, Department of Mathematics, 4th semester reports.
Christian students of both Siliguri and Sonada campuses took part in a 3-day preparation for Holy Week and Easter celebrations from 15 to 17 March 2024. The animator was Salian College alumnus Father Ramesh Cherian and his team from Auxilium Renewal Center, Kolkata. The program had moments of prayer and reflection, as well as devotional practices of the Way of the Cross, Rosary and Holy Eucharist. On second day, after morning meditation, action songs, praise and worship, there was a personal testimony by team member Mr. Kyle Jude Richard. During night vigil at Don Bosco Shrine, many students had deep prayer experience as well as emotional healing. The last day was the day of recollection also for Christian faculty members to participate in the sacrament of reconciliation and Holy Eucharist. The retreat concluded with blessings by all the fathers.
Priti, Baxla reporting. Siliguri, NSS celebrates National Consumer Day. Ishika Agarwal of BCom 6th semester reports.
Consumer protection makes market work for both businesses and consumers. Consumers need to be able to obtain accurate, unbiased information about the product and services they purchase. This enables them to make the best choices based on their interest and prevents from being mistreated or misled by businesses. On 15th March 2024, National Consumer Rights Day, NSS volunteers Unit 2 took an active part in raising the awareness of consumer rights. The hour-long event was organized by the NSS coordinator, Mr. Deepak Sharma, with 15 NSS volunteers who shared their knowledge on consumer rights and services. The main motive of the event was to raise awareness on consumer rights.
Ishika Agarwal reporting. Siliguri, final years get life orientation program. Prajwal of Sociology Department 2nd semester reports.
Since 28 March 2024, Deaneries of Commerce, Management and Vocational Studies, Arts and Humanities, Sciences and Social Sciences hosted 4-day live orientation program for the graduating batch of 2024. Topics discussed included career after graduation and higher education, dignity of work and work ethics, Don Bosco's educational system and Salesian values, as well as graduate attributes and holistic feedback. The facilitators also listed common difficulties that students could face after the graduation and touched upon values like commitment, marriage, respect, family, tolerance, and acceptance in relationship, and how to deal with stress. A unique interactive element was introduced as students were free to clear doubts regarding personal problems and career.
Prajwal reporting. Siliguri College gears up for departmental exhibition. Tissa of Mass Communication and Journalism 4th semester reports.
Salian College Autonomous Siliguri is for the first time organizing an education fair on the 4th of April, that is Thursday, from 9 a.m. to 4 p.m. With this, let's hear from our Assistant Professor Peter Lepcha for the details of the event.
We have invited over 50 schools within Siliguri, Bagdogra and Duars, and we will have over 18 departments in the college here of our own college departments, and they will be exhibiting certain aspects of their departments. There will be visuals, and there will be 3D models, and also there will be help desks where students, parents, media people and all kinds of people can come and have a clarification, doubt clearance session with the departments and the programs of studies, with the deans, with the heads of the departments, and also with the college management. It's a Shikha Mela, so it's a Mela, it's a fair, so anyone is welcome.
Photo of the week. The kites have returned to campus after the first rain on 21st March 2024. They perch on trees near the basketball court of Nazareth block. That's all for now. From all of us at Radio Salesian, this show was brought to you by CP Real Estate Siliguri. We build trust. Thank you for being with us. Enjoy the rest of your day.